Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Acayen, also known as Manong Jaire. So, covalent bond, also called molecular bond. It is a chemical bond that is shared when two atoms share their valence electrons. So what happens with covalent bonding? They bond with other atoms to gain more stability, which is gained by forming a full electron shell. In order to be a full electron shell, it needs to follow the octet rule. It needs 8 valence electrons on its outer shell because it's octet. So here are some brainy people that will further explain this topic. So let's just play it.
Covalent bonding. So, these are prefixes that you need to memorize. 1 is for mono, 2 is for di, 3 is for tri, 4 is for tetra, 5 is for penta, and the rest goes on. So, this is an example of a molecular compound. In order to use and identify the prefix that you need to use, you have to first identify the subscript that you have. You look for the subscript on your element, and that is how you will identify how to use the prefix. Now, the rule is simple. You first state the prefix that is seen, or, there, and then the element, of course. So, in this example, you can see the 2 as the subscript for the phosphorus, so that goes diphosphorus. For the second element, we have 5, so that becomes penta. So that becomes pentasulfide. So together, diphosphorus pentasulfide. So now, we have more brainy people who will be coming and rolling in with more information.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to solve the Lewis dot structure. So let's start. So we have example number 1, which is carbon and chlorine. So lahat ng dots is equal to 32. And ang gagawin na lang natin is each side is dapat mag-equal siya sa 8 para maging noble gases siya. So sa 4 na chlorine, meron tayong 7 dots and kailangan maging 8 siya. So nag-iisa na lang yung kulang, and since yung carbon is merong 4 na dots, so ang gagawin natin is mag-share ang carbon ng dots sa chlorine para maging 8 siya. So kailangan connect natin each side. So kada equal niya dito is 8. 8 8 8. So 8 times 4 equals 32. So meron na tayong 32. And nitrogen and hydrogen. Meron na tayong dots. So ang hydrogen ay merong 1 dot. So nag-iisa silang may dot. And ang nitrogen ay merong 5 dots. So meron na tayong 9 equal to 9. And since ang kailangan kasi natin each side is merong 8 dots, so kailangan nating magbawas. Ang babawasan natin is nitrogen. So para each side meron na siyang 8. So nagtanggal tayo ng isang dot sa nitrogen. So naging 8 na sila. Since positive, so kailangan nating magbawas. And ayun. So we have already the 8 sides. And okay na siya, stable na siya. Nakita po natin kung paano ma-solve ang Lewis dot structure, and sana nagustuhan nyo. Ayun lang po.
Electronic distribution. So there will be a given element and you will see on its superscript located at the top of the element where the atomic number is located. On electronic distribution, you have to look at the mnemonics to get the exact atomic number. For example, if the element given is MO and its atomic number is 42, you use the mnemonics to add the specific numbers until you get the atomic number of the element. After that, check the mnemonics once again to put the arrows that goes up and down to identify if it is negative or positive.
Hello, my name is Torres. I'm going to discuss a little bit about the history of periodic table. In 1669, German merchant and amateur alchemist Heinrich Brandt attempted to create a philosopher's stone, an object that could turn metals into pure gold. In 1680, Robert Boyle also discovered phosphorus and it became public. In 1809, at least 47 elements were discovered and scientists began to see patterns in the characteristic. In 1863, English chemist John Newlands divided and discovered 56 elements into 11 groups based on characteristics. In 1945, Glenn Siebert identified